Good morning. Welcome to Dear Teacher RS. I love to hear Dear Teacher from all the students. I am teaching coordinate geometry. Climax, we are in the climax position. अभी आज शायद ये चैप्टर ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. And in my last class I have explained you section formula, centroid, okay, centroid, midpoint, etc. I have explained. So now I am going to explain the applications, that means exercise. So I am ready with my 7.2 exercise. I hope you are also ready. Keep your notebooks in front of you, textbooks also in front of you, so that it is easy for you to understand. Simply seeing and listening, it makes very less success. So I request all of you, whoever is watching, please keep a notebook in front of you and also a textbook, ncert textbook in front of you. Now I remind again the formula, section formula. A line a point divides a line segment in particular ratio. Let me say for example, this is a line, okay, AB is a line segment. Let us say P is dividing the line in the ratio m is to n. Some textbooks let us say m1 is to m2, whatever. So these are the points x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So now the section formula indicates these are the coordinates we have to find. In my last class I have explained how to find out. So I will just give you again this x coordinate is equal to mx2, just logically also you can remember mx2 nx1 by m plus n, okay. So comma, again y coordinate my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the section formula. These are the points of P, coordinates of P. P divides the line segment in the ratio m is to n. If you are writing m1 is to m2, in the place of m1, okay, because it is m1 x2, like that you can remember. Logically you can remember this formula. देखने में इतना बड़ा रहता है, बट छोटा ही है, एक लॉजिकल सेंस से आपको याद रखना है. So to do all these 7.2 exercise, we need to remember this formula, okay. So now let us do the questions, right? Find the coordinates of the point, the join of -1, 7, 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Just I will give you this is the line segment A, B. A is equal to -1, 7 and B is equal to 4, -3. In the ratio P is to, this is P, it is in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. Okay. So this is given. Same thing, in the place of x1, y1, -1, 7 are there. In the place of x2, y2, 4 and -3 is there. In the place of m is to n, 2:3 is there. Okay. So now we have to find the coordinates of P. Find the coordinates of the point. This point is nothing but P. So this P, and this is A, and this is B, and this is m is to n. You can remember like that. Now P is equal to, I will write the formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus nxy1 by m plus n. So now let us substitute the values. M is nothing but 2 into x2 is nothing but 4 plus n is nothing but 3 into x1 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 plus 3 comma. When you are substituting, replacing the values, be careful. कभी कभी गलत भी हो सकता है. एक बार गलत हो गया तो आपको मिस्टेक फाइंड आउट करने के लिए टाइम चले जाता है, राइट. सो नाउ my2, m is 2 into y2 is minus 3 plus n is 3 and y1 is 7 by 2 plus 3. So legibility takes a role in this. You need to write the things legibly. ऐसा थोड़ा आराम से स्पेस, बीच में स्पेस छोड़ के लिखेंगे तो अच्छा रहता है. लाइन बिटवीन लाइन टू लाइन, बिटवीन एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट टू वाई कोऑर्डिनेट, थोड़ा लेजिबिलिटी मेंटेन करेंगे तो इजी हो जाता है. सो देन हाउ मच इज द आंसर? 2 4 is 8. This is minus 3 and 5. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. This is minus 6 plus 21 by 5. So finally what you will get? 8 minus 3 5, 5 by 5 1, 21 minus 6 15, 15 by 5 3. So it is the answer. The coordinates of P is equal to 1 and 3. Okay, I hope you have understood. I will go to the next question. So the next question is find the coordinates of the point of trisection. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining. So this trisection problem also very important. Okay, एक बार आपको एक concept समझ में आ गए तो easy हो जाता है. So first you should understand what is the trisection. Okay, मैथ्स में प्रॉब्लम्स बाय हार्ट नहीं करना, रट्टा नहीं मारना है. कॉन्सेप्ट अंडरस्टैंड करके प्रैक्टिस करना है. समझो एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं आए तो ये प्रॉब्लम वन टाइम देख के लिख सकते हैं एंड विदाउट सीइंग आल्सो यू शुड बी एबल टू डू. सो ए ट्राइसेक्शन का मतलब क्या है? फॉर एग्जांपल अगेन ए बी इज देयर, ए बी. नाउ ट्राइसेक्शन मीन्स दिस ए बी is getting trisected by P and Q. Tri means 3. This line is getting into 3 parts, 3 equal parts. Bisection means 2 equal parts. Trisection means 3 equal parts. Okay. So now this AB is getting trisected by 2 points. Now we have to find out the coordinates of P, the coordinates of Q. That means 2 in 1 problem, one shot, 2 paper. So अभी ये values are already given. This is 4 and minus 1, and B values are given, minus 2 and minus 3. Ratio is not given. So trisected means, let us say this is one part, 1 1 equal. So P means 1:2. For P, you have to take the ratio 1:2. For Q, you have to take the ratio because this is 2 parts and this is 1 part. So 2:1. For P, 1 part and 2 parts. Okay, this is for P and this is for Q. So 2 sums एक प्रॉब्लम में दिया है, आप घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. So अभी for P you write all the details for P. Okay, you draw the diagram also. Diagram भी draw करेंगे तो अच्छा रहता है. So for P, m:n is equal to 1:2. and A is equal to 4 minus 1 and B is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Now you can write directly the formula. P is equal to mx2 m into minus 2, that means 1 into minus 2 minus 2, nx1, n is 2, x1 is 4, 2 4s are 8 by 1 plus 2 3. I have written directly because I have a space problem, so that you can see the entire problem. Okay, so now again y coordinate, m by 2 means 1 into y2 minus 3. Okay, so 1 into minus 3 minus 3, 2 into n y1, 2 into minus 1 minus. Okay, so by 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 3. So this answer is 8 minus 2, 6 by 3 2, minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 3. So I got some doubt here, minus 5 by 3. Let me check whether it is correct or not. So अभी इधर का फ्रैक्शन आया है, आई एम चेकिंग इट. सो m y2 1 into minus 3 correct, n y1 2 into minus 1 correct. ओके, एक बार ये भी चेक कर लेते हैं. mx2 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 2 into 4 8, वो दोनों करेक्ट है. सो 5 by 3. So this is P. Now for Q also similarly you have to do like this only. Similarly, okay. इसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Again you write for Q, m is to n is equal to 2 is to 1 and A is equal to 4 minus 1 and B is equal to minus 2 minus 3. So you just find out Q formula, same formula डाल के आप Q find out कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this is what is a second problem. I did not complete it, so I want you to complete by yourself. Okay, so now I will be going to trisection. Please understand it one more time. Trisection problem is very important. So now let me go to another question. So a big question and application question is given. Okay, so a graph is given and a word problem is given. Okay, इसको ध्यान से अच्छा सा पढ़ना है, पढ़ के आप easily कर सकते हैं, right? So it's not that much big. एक बार understand करके डालेंगे तो फार्मूला डाल के करना है, एक मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला एंड एक वो बस, राइट? So distance formula. So to conduct a sports day activities, your rectangular shaped ABCD is a rectangular shaped ground. He has given everything he has given. Okay, ABCD line and drawn with chalkboard at a distance of 1 meter each. So 1 meter. Okay, ये 1 meter है, 1 meter है. So okay, so and 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter in each AD. अभी 10 pots इधर लगाया है. So वैसा हर एक लाइन पे 10 pots लगाया. So total 10 lines, 100 pots हो गया. So that means completely it will be looking like a graph sheet. 1 unit. That means 1 meter is the unit. So इसमें ये पूरा फ्लावर पॉट्स इधर तो नहीं डाला है, इधर दो बच्चों को डाल दिया. So then from each as shown in figure, Niharika is one girl, 1/4 of the distance AD. इधर से 1/4 of the distance. So total distance कितना है? 10 parts, 10 meters. So 10 parts, 1/4 of So and AD सेकंड लाइन के ऊपर निहारिका है एंड प्रीत इज देयर ऑन द 8th लाइन के ऊपर है एंड 8th लाइन के ऊपर एंड व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन बोथ फ्लैग्स. अभी इधर का डिस्टेंस एंड इधर का डिस्टेंस फार्मूला फाइंड आउट करना है. सो डिस्टेंस फार्मूला इज अंडर रूट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर एंड प्लस y2 माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर. सो देन इधर का कोऑर्डिनेट्स चाहिए एंड इधर का भी कोऑर्डिनेट्स चाहिए. सो व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट्स? दिस इज द 2 एंड 1/4 डिस्टेंस. इसमें से 1/4 क्या होता है? हाउ मच 1/4? 1/4 डिस्टेंस. So this is 2 and 1/4 of this 10. Okay, so 10 how much? 25. You can write 25. Okay, so this is 1/8, 1/5. So this is 8 comma 20. So now using these two you find out the distance you will be getting. Okay, so and then what is the distance between the two flags? That is Rashmi, one more girl has come. Rashmi has a post blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment. अभी रश्मि A line पे आ गया, right? Halfway. So halfway is between, that means this will be the midpoint. So now you have to find out the midpoint. Okay, so then what he asked, he did not ask where should she post her flag. అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎంత దూరంలో, ఇधर से कितना दूर में ये फ्लैग पोस्ट करना है. So midpoint of this, so 8 plus 2 by 2, 5 is there, and 20 plus 25, 45 by 2, 22.5. So 22.5 meters के पास के फ्लैग पोस्ट करना है. सो इन दिस सेक्शन फार्मूला यूज नहीं किया, ओनली मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला यूज किया है. मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला हैज़ कम फ्रॉम द सेक्शन फार्मूला. ఇది చేసావా నువ్వు? ఓకే, సో దెన్ లెట్ మీ clean it. Let me go to another question. 7.2 another question. Okay, so then find the ratio in which the line segment joining divided by, say this is AB, this is AB, AB, say like this, AB is there and AB is intersected by a point P minus 1, 6, and A is how much? Minus 3, 10, and B is 6 and minus 8. And find the ratio in which, that means you have to find out the ratio. M is to N. You have to find the value of M and N using the section formula. Okay, so now P is equal to mx2. mx2 means 6m, nx1 means n into minus 3, minus 3n by m plus n. Okay, next y coordinate, m by 2, m into minus 8, minus 8m, n by 1, n into 10, 10n by m plus n, which is equal to P is already given, minus 1, 6. So now you take this, equate it. So 6m minus 3n by m plus n is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply karo, you will be getting an equation in so cross multiply 6m minus 3n is equal to minus m minus n, right? n उधर ले लो, m इधर लेकर आ जाओ. So 6m plus m is equal to minus n plus 3n. So 7m is equal to 2n. n इधर लेकर आ जाओ, m by n, 2 उधर लेकर जाओ, 2 by 7. So m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. Okay. आप y कोऑर्डिनेट लिए तो भी दिस इज इक्वल टू 6, वो लिए तो भी सेम आ जाएंगे. ओके. सो this is a question number 4. This is also an important question because he has removed so many questions from this exercise, right? I hope you have understood. Let me go to another question. Okay. Fifth question, right? Find the ratio in which the line segment divided by x-axis. Okay. So AB is there. AB, and it is divided by x-axis. I did not write y-axis. So AB, and it is this AB is divided by x-axis. So that means x-axis y is 0. So x 0, and this is how much? 1 minus 5, and this is minus 4 5. Okay. So now we have to find out this is m and this is n, just like a previous question. Okay. Now you have to find out in which ratio this point is dividing a is to b. Okay. Yeah, x0. Alice, very good, x0. So then same ratio is m is to n. Now let us say this is a p and p is equal to, that means x0 is equal to mx2. How much? mx2 means m into minus 4 m n x1 0 n into 1 n by m plus n. Okay. So then y coordinate is something, right? So wait, let us write y coordinate also. y कोऑर्डिनेट भी हम लिख देंगे, कैसा रब करना. और so then my2 5m n minus 5n by m plus n. So equate this to 0. So then what happened? m 5m minus 5n by m plus n is equal to 0. Cross multiply it. So 5m minus 5n is equal to 0. 5m is equal to 5n. m by n is equal to 5 by 5. So m by n is equal to 1 by 1. That means midpoint. So I have got a problem, doubt, because P is the midpoint I got. Let me check it one more time. So only y coordinate check करेंगे तो हो जाता है. m into 5 5m, n into minus 5 minus 5. Yeah, it is correct. So it is dividing in the ratio 1 is to 1. Okay. So this is another question, question number 5. Let me clean it. Let me go to another question, right? So now this is also an important question. 1, 2, 4y, x6, 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Find x and y. So now you should know the parallelogram, the properties of the parallelogram. Okay, A, B and C and D. Okay, so A is how much? 1, 2, B is 4y and C is x and 6 and D is 3, 5. So now our target is to find out x and y. Okay, x and y. So here in parallelogram, diagonals bisects each other. Diagonals bisects each other. So if you take both the diagonals, this P is the midpoint of both the diagonals. So P is midpoint of AC and AB. So now that means midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of AB. So let us find out the midpoint formula: x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1, I am writing midpoint of AC, 1 plus x by 2, comma 2 plus 6 by 2. This is midpoint of AC. So midpoint of BD. So x1 plus x2, 3 plus 4 by 2, comma 5 plus y by 2. So you equate x coordinates, you equate y coordinates. So that means 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. X is equal to 6. Now you equate here 8 by 2 is equal to 5 plus y by 2. Both sides same denominator. Therefore y is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. Digital studio, can you give one more message so that your message will go up above that symbol? I am unable to see the corner wala, right? So this is how question number 6 comes. Okay, only 3 or 4 more questions are there. This, can we write the first? Okay, if you can give one more message so that yeah, Nikhil Gupta. Can we write as first for AB here, x1, x4, 2, 1, 4, I don't know, you have given some other thing. Yeah, so anyhow this is take this because this question is very common. This question will come even in distance formula. Find the coordinates whether they are the coordinates of parallelogram. Now here the midpoint. So because midpoint is easy, so midpoint of both the diagonals are equal. You have to indicate diagonals of diagonals bisects each other. Therefore the midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So now let us go to another question. Find the coordinates of point A, where AB is the diameter of the circle, whose center is so. So a circle is given. A circle is given, and this is the center, and this is the diameter. So find the coordinates of A, where AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. Now, whose center is 2 minus 3, this is O, and B is 1, 4, and this is, we don't know, x, y. very simple. You may be getting for 1 mark question. It's that much easy. So O is the midpoint of AB. Center is the midpoint of the diameter. So O is a midpoint of AB. So we have to write the midpoint formula. So 2 minus 3 is equal to, so midpoint formula, x plus 1 by 2, y plus 4 by 2. Now equate x coordinates and y coordinates. So x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2, x plus 1 is equal to 4, x plus x is equal to 3. Same way equate y coordinates. Y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3, y plus 4 is equal to minus 6, and y is equal to minus 10. Therefore, A is equal to 3 and minus 10. So this is coordinates of A. Okay. I hope you have got this answer. It's an easy question. Okay. So, 7th question. Let me clean up and let me go to another question. Right. So, this is also, I'll just explain you. You can do by yourself. Right. Rahul, good morning. Yeah. So, AB, again, AB is given. And A is equal to minus 2 minus 2, and this is 2 and minus 4. Find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. That means this part is equal to 3 by 7. So that means total 7 parts. Out of 7 parts, here 3 and here 4. So M is to N is equal to 3 is to 4. So take this ratio. This is 3 by 7. 7 means 7 parts. Okay. So then it is 3 and it is 4. And this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Use the section formula. You will be getting a P. Okay. So, Samir, good morning. Yeah. So, I hope, I want you to do this by yourself. You take this hint and let us go to one more question. And my time is over. It is 8:32. See you tomorrow in my next live class. All of you, bye-bye. I hope you have enjoyed. Please like the channel, like my video, share the channel, and subscribe my channel. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Can you elaborate how could you directly write 3.4? Yes, it is again I will teach you. This is AB and this is P. So AP is equal to, this part is 3 out of 7 by AB. Right? This is A. That means 3 by 7 into AB. So this is 3 and this is 4. Total 7. 7 is equal to, okay.